In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Trello using our 25 guide. Tracking time in Trello is an excellent way to manage your productivity and ensure you're making the most out of your workday. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or a freelancer, keeping track of your time can help you assess performance and streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access Trello. This may seem straightforward, but ensuring you log into the correct account linked to your work or project is crucial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Trello board where you'll be tracking time. You'll find several features on the board, one of which is power-ups. Now, focus on the board menu and locate the Power-Ups option. Click on it to see the available tools and integrations that can help enhance your Trello board's functionalities. Power-Ups are unique to Trello and allow you to tailor your board to better fit your project needs. Next, we need to search for a time tracking tool. A popular choice for many Trello users is the Time Tracker by TimeCamp. This tool integrates seamlessly with Trello, providing straightforward functionality to log and monitor hours right within your board. When you've found the Time Tracker power-up, the next step is to click Add. This action will enable the power-up on your board, preparing it for use. Enabling this tool is crucial as it allows you to access all the features necessary for efficient time tracking. With your power-up enabled, it's time to start tracking. Open any card on your Trello board, and you'll notice the timer functionality is now available. Click Start when you begin working on a task to begin logging your hours. It's as simple as it sounds. As you progress through your tasks, you can stop and start the timer, ensuring every minute is captured for later review. Throughout your work session, regularly log your hours to maintain an accurate record of time spent. As you become more comfortable using the power-up, you'll likely notice patterns and insights into your workflow, allowing you to optimize your time management even further. And there you have it. A straightforward way to track your time using Trello. This integration offers a clear visual record of your work hours, helping you improve scheduling and productivity. As you get accustomed to this process, you might explore other tools or integrations to further enhance your project management. Thank you for watching.